It's your boy Alan.
It's Lily. It's Riri. It's Amy.
Alright guys, we're starting off the vlog today. It's snowy. That storm came through. We got snow, guys. We got let me show you. It look like we got like 3-4 inches or something like that. Maybe a little more, maybe 6. But there's some snow out here, y'all. It is some snow out here. Me and the girls about to get the shoveling. We're about to shovel up this driveway, so we're gonna find a big hill and sleds and everything. So let's get it started, y'all. Alright guys, I'm gonna take Ace to the back. Let Ace do some playing in the snow, guys. Oh, it's deep too. It is deep, ain't it? That mug deep. It's deep, huh, Lee? The snow is deep right there.
Oh my god, look how deep it is, you guys, literally.
Yeah. Alright, we're about to let Ace play. I'm gonna unlock this so he can go. Here.
Myles Crew, this your girl, Britney.
What's up, guys? It's your boy AD.
It's Aria.
It's Maya.
Alright, fam, we was a part of that big snow system that came through the Midwest. And then now I think it's headed towards the East Coast. We probably got maybe, what, 4 inches of snow? 4 to 6, I would say. This is only our second time we had snow all winter so far. And that's pretty rare. They said this is like our hottest winter on record. We'll take it. But we wasn't, I guess other people was anticipating snow. I wasn't anticipating much snow. But you know what we gonna do like we always do? We're gonna turn lemons into lemonade and do what we do best. You know, when you with the Myles Crew, we bring the fun, we bring the adventure, and we always gonna get lit. Keep it lit, y'all. So we about to find something fun for the kids to do and then snuggle up and warm up again since it's so cold outside. All right, y'all.
We headed up there right now, y'all.
Oh, it's a lot of snow, Dad. That's a lot of snow.
Yeah, I got it. A lot of snow, y'all. Alrighty, coming.
Why are you scared? Dad, Ava's scared.
Go ahead and go first.
Here, I'll go first if y'all ain't going.
Go first, Dad.
For real?
Dad can't ride on that little thing.
you guys, we reached the peak. The big chongus.
Oh no.
Fresh
Oh,
tracks.
no. Oh no.
Look how big this one is, David. Yeah.
Okay. Is he your son?
Yeah.
Can you come try it?
Oh, they got a little ramp. Yeah, I'm gonna have him try it.
I asked him.
All right.
Alright, you guys, so we just got here at Family Dollar. Avery had an idea. She wanted to prank somebody. So I'm grabbing something for her so she can do her little prank, and then I'll let her explain everything to y'all later.
Guys, what better way to finish off the night on a cold, snowy night than good old chili, guys? What better way to do it, man? Look at this. Look at this here. We got everybody at the table, getting ready to eat real good before we watch movies and do whatever we gonna do, y'all. Yep, y'all seen it right. Hot sauce, yep. Some of us put hot sauce in the chili. We gotta add that little spice to it, you know. Gotta do it.
Yes, we do.
Yep.
I just want to let y'all know that we see y'all. We see y'all. We've been getting a lot of subscribers.
Yeah, we have, y'all. Good looking.
We've been getting a lot of subscribers. And we thank y'all for that. We want to know more from y'all. What do y'all want to see from us? Are y'all enjoying our videos? We need that communication. I'm going to try to start by opening up that community tab. And then, of course, social media, we know. But all right, y'all, we about to pray and eat some food. And y'all can, I guess, chilling. Eat some chili with us on this cold day. Who out there, who else was affected? It was millions of people affected by this storm. Who else was affected? I know there were some southern states that typically don't get snow. Atlanta, my brother's in North Carolina, and they got some snow, and it's just gonna be, it's gonna be crazy for a couple days. But the good thing about our state is they prepare for snow, so they was out there plowing already. The back street's still bad, but they was a little more prepared. But all right, y'all, I won't talk y'all ear off. I'll let y'all sit here and chill with us and eat for a little bit, and then we're gonna go ahead and close it on out. God is good. God is great. Let us thank Him for our food. Amen. Y'all like cheese in there?
Y'all like cheese in there? Do y'all like diced tomatoes? Do you like beans? What do you guys like in your chili?
This one's my grandpa's recipe. We've been making all this time. It's so far. Alan add beans to it. We boiled a little bit, so I add beans. I actually didn't like the beans in there.
Me too.
And then some of us got the crackers, and I was a little ice cream.
Normally we make grilled cheese with it too, but
Yes. That grilled cheese be fire.
and we got the chopped green onions in here. I give it a little something.
Give a little taste. Give a little more taste.
Not bad, cause my mind was even eating the green onions.
Who out there be putting hot sauce on that chili? That sound like some southern stuff. Or places, you know, where they like stuff spicy.
My mind? Is it good? You about done. You need another bowl, don't you?
Leah got that Louisiana in her blood.
Leah, she loves
Always
some
having
hot
something
sauce.
spicy.
She loves some spicy, y'all. Alright. You good? Whoa. Yeah. Is it good, Ed?
You can smell the
Ed,
spice.
you good?
So good.
You good, lady?
Yep. Dad, you smell that? You smell that?
Oh yeah, you got some hot sauce in there. Alright, I see you. I see you.
Mama got hot sauce too.
Hey, but what did you say? You had
Oh, it's all gone. We're gonna get you some more, okay? Get you some more. What's your favorite?
Dad, I'm gonna taste it. Dad, look.
When I was saying, I was saying Leah had Louisiana in her blood. Ava said, well, what do I have in my blood? And I thought Leah said chicken because Ava don't really mess with chicken like that.
Oh, yeah.
But she said sugar because Ava loves some sugar, y'all.
She telling me she wants some more. Mama, I got you.
Would you like
Is it good, Mom?
I'm better,
Mom, would you like to taste some spicy?
You silly, Mom. Yep, yeah.
I'm
Here.
done, you guys.
You done too?
So good.
It is really good.
One day we're going to be somewhere where it's hot outside year round.
Yep.
One day.
One day soon, guys.
One day soon.
It's gonna be beautiful.
Huh?
It's gonna be beautiful.
Yeah.
All right, y'all. We'll see y'all in a couple days per the usual. Make sure y'all come back to our what, y'all?
Videos.
Thank y'all so much for watching.